Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the incoming calls not displaying on our Android device. So let's dive right in directly and get started with the process to fix it. We can start by enabling the app notifications. For that, go to the settings application on your device. After you go to settings, you may just go over, scroll down and look out for the apps option and tap on it. And once you go to apps, you can look out for your dialer applications such as phone. So you may either scroll down through the given options or search it and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can scroll down and look out for the option of notifications. And from here, ensure that all of the relevant toggles, especially for incoming calls, are turned on. You can tap on notification categories for that and look out for missed calls, voice mails, etc. And just go over and turn on all of the necessary toggles and close this up. Apart from that, you can just go over and allow appear on top as well. So you can hold the application, go to the app info, and just go over and look out for appear on top option. Look out for picture in picture and something like that. If not this, access your settings for that as well. And just go over, go to apps, and from apps, look out for special access, tap on three dot and tap on special access and look out for the option of appear on top and select it. And that from here, ensure that your phone application has the necessary permissions. You can look out for phone services, phone, and toggle this option right here and uh, ensure it has the permission to draw over other applications. And also swipe down from your quick settings, and once you swipe it up, you can just go over and make sure the option of do not disturb is not turned on here. So if this option is turned on, you can just go and tap on it to turn it off because it will block incoming call notifications if it is turned on. And that is it. So therefore, everybody, you may try following up this method if your incoming call is not displaying on your Android screen. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.